everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Liza here if you're new around here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a Poundstretcher haul. I've got a couple of guests here, a couple of special guests. I've got Orlando and I've got Renzo just there, so it might be a little bit chaotic, so bear with me, but I wanted to get this video filmed for you because I actually wanted to start using the things that I bought, so I thought I'd get it filmed. But basically, yeah, I went to Poundstretcher the other day. I don't think I've ever done a Poundstretcher haul before. But I thought I would share it with you and show you what I got. There's just a few little bits. They're mainly things that I just needed to buy. The first thing I bought was this laundry bag. I really needed to get a new one, so I got this one. They had it in gold and they had it in another colour. I can't remember, maybe it was black. I'm not 100% sure, but I went for this kind of silvery version, and it was £4.99. I just needed to get a new one. What I liked about this, it's a little bit more expensive than I'd usually go for. I usually buy the ones from Primark, the little pop-up ones, but I wasn't obviously at Primark and I really wanted to get one. So this is £4.99, but it is a bit thicker, it's better quality, and I could use it for toys if I wanted to as well. Are you talking? Are you chatting? I could use it for toys or whatever, clothes and stuff, and it's got a little handy strap so I can carry it up and down the stairs really easily. Also picked these up, they're just coffees. So it's a Nescafe 3-in-1 rich white coffee with sugar, so they're like little sachets, and you literally just add water, and they're just really tasty actually. My mum always brings these around when she comes round, and she makes me one of these coffees, and now I'm like hooked on them. They're so nice, they just taste gorgeous. They're really handy as well for like holidays and things. You can just pop them in your suitcase and all you need to do is add water, so I thought that was really good. Another couple of foodie items, I picked up these mash pots. I got 2 chicken flavoured ones, and then I also picked up 2 beef flavoured ones. These are just really good, very quick and easy to use. You just add hot water, just if I'm being a bit lazy, you know. With 3 kids it's quite difficult to kind of find time to make things for yourself, so I thought that would be quite easy. I've tried them before and they're really nice. I then picked up a couple of cleaning products. So basically this product here is something that I've been looking for ages, and I haven't been able to find it until now, and it was only 69p. 69p. Whenever I go on Amazon, this is like a few pounds to buy, and when I saw it for 69p in Poundstretcher, I was like, oh my god, I need to get it and try it. This is like a Mrs. Hinch favourite. Everyone, you know, if you know Mrs. Hinch, which you probably do, you'll know that she likes this product, and it's called the Pink Stuff. It's a miracle cleaning paste, so I think it's like a gritty kind of cleaning paste, so you use it for like your ovens and things like that, any tough areas to kind of clean. And yeah, got that, so that was really good. I was really happy actually to see that, and I did get a little bit excited about that. I also got some Astonished kitchen cleaner in the scent Zesty Lemon. I really love Astonished products. I think they're really good, and I've not tried this one before, so I thought I'd pick that up. I've actually gone off the Method spray, the rhubarb scent. I just don't like it anymore. I don't know, so I'm trying to get through that, and then I'm going to try this because I don't know, it's just a bit, I don't like the fragrance at all. I like the pomelo one. I think it's called pomelo. It's like in the rose gold bottle. I think that's limited edition, so I'm not sure whether you can still get it or not. That's why I bought that. And then I picked this up. This is a Star Drops 4-in-1 Pine Disinfectant Spray. Again, this is something I've not tried before, but I have tried Star Drops products before. The Pink Stuff is also by Star Drops. I've tried the window cleaner, and it's really good, so I thought I would just pick this up because it's so cheap. I think they're like 89p, something like that. I then picked up for the boys money tins, like little money boxes. Renzo hasn't seen this one yet. Renzo, do you want to come around this way? I'll show you something. Come here. So I got this football one for Vinny. It's only 79p. And then I got this, friends. Look. Who's that?
Raptor Blue.
Raptor Blue. It's a money box for you. Do you like it? So I got him this Raptor Blue money box. A Jurassic Park one for you. It's for you, yeah? So I got that one for you, and I got this one for Vinny, look. Little football one for Vinny. It's got footballs on it.
Mum,
You can collect all your pennies in there, can't you? Wow, it's really good. What else did I get? I got this. This is a storage basket to put like near the sink. I think I found this in the bathroom kind of section, but I'm going to use this in my kitchen to put like my sponges and cleaning products in by the sink, just because it looks a little bit messy in there at the minute, and I wanted something to keep it all organised. And this was only £1, reduced from £1.49. Super cheap. Can't go wrong with that, can you? It's just going to keep it a little bit more organised and tidy. And then I just grabbed some Mother's Day cards because, yeah, it's Mother's Day soon, so I thought I would get those. Oh, the final thing I got was some non-stick baking paper to do some cooking. So I got that, and that is all I got, guys. Very random haul, but those are just the items that I needed to buy, and I thought I would share them with you because it was quite a big bag. And yeah, I actually really like Poundstretcher. It's a little bit like Home Bargains, probably a little bit cheaper than Home Bargains, I would say, and the products are a little bit cheaper. They do have lots of great storage solutions in there. I absolutely love buying my storage baskets from there. I get them all the time from Poundstretcher. They've also got some great mirrors and home interior bits, so if you want to go and check that out, definitely do that. But yeah, that is everything I got. I hope you enjoyed watching this random video. A little bit hectic with children, but I thought I would still film it for you today. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and we'll see you all in the next video. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.